the game zone. Let's head inside. Got billiards here. Got another billiards, I think. I think it's billiards. Yeah, it looks like billiards. I need to remember how to play billiards. I don't normally play pool. Table hockey. Just like air hockey actually. Yep, air hockey. Another air hockey. Mysterious door. Another mysterious door. It's basically to sit and chill. What else we got? It's quite quiet here. It probably gets busier later on in the evening once everyone's had dinner. Another, oh, we've got table tennis here, so I don't know if there's a ball around. And then we've got table football. And we've got news I don't understand. Okay. Probably have a game of billiards or something, and catch you a lot later. Oh, before I leave, we had a game of pool, and some kids came in here and looked like maybe of the Arabian race class, and you know, one of them had a headscarf and stuff, but innocently looked like they just came to have a game of pool. They had no idea what they were doing. They were basically running, like climbing on the table, destroying the cushion, and destroying the entire pool set. They didn't do this. I think they'd already like that, but still, you can see how it happens if people are just going to mess about and literally destroy it. I don't think they've brought through that damage before. But yeah, basically made a complete mess. We're literally running around in a rampage, crying, throwing their slippers around. They left a couple of plates there, which is slightly inconsiderate. And they seem to list a book here that I found slightly funny. I might have to blur it out, I don't know. But, well, first of all, I don't even know why it's here. But yeah, they seem to have found it funny and left it there. They also seem to have destroyed the table football, taken off one of the handles. Supposedly still, I don't know where it's come from. Here. Oh, and there's the other chalk. Oh, and that's the other part of the table football. I found the chalk. Are they trying to play table football with that?
The chalk is over here. I saw the chalk, that chalk over here.
Okay. Yeah, well that tells you everything you need to know.
There you go.
Yep. Ball seems to be missing.
What? Where can they go missing?
No, it's just in the table.
Yeah, there'll be somewhere in here.
There.
Okay.
Yeah, there.
Well, anyway, gives you an idea of how much destruction they can cause in such a short amount of time.
I was wondering who's been damaging all this stuff up. Well, you know now.
Yeah, I've already mentioned that.
You know how it's happening.
Right, well anyway, time for dinner. I'm hungry, had a few games of pool. Billiards didn't actually.
Let's have a drink with you.
Well, okay, get a drink first.
Well, where you came on.